Hello and welcome to Dubai Life. Do you ever wonder if it's possible to earn income from a side source or a side business while keeping your job in the United Arab Emirates, in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi or Sharjah? In this video, I'll introduce you to a person who will teach and guide you on how to start and run an online business, a successful online business. She will take you step by step, process by process, until you feel you're confident enough to do it on your own. You will have a direct communication line for any inquiries, for any questions, so that you can get the full support you need while you're starting. If you are new on this channel, I need you to subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever we have a new video, you'll be the first to know. If you have any question, any comment, any clarification, please feel free to leave your comment in the comment box. Let's get started. Living and working abroad comes with a lot of financial and emotional challenges. We worry about future sources of income because the money we earn from the job alone is not enough for us to retire willingly under 40 or under 50 years of age and live a comfortable old age. For that reason, we keep working until we die or get too old and we are forced to retire. It is very, very hard, very tricky to start up and run any business while still working in the United Arab Emirates. Whether you decide to do it back home or in the United Arab Emirates, it is tough. And there's a risk of leaving your current job to start up a new business all on your own. The main emotional challenge is we miss our families, our relatives, our friends. We are working so far away from our homes. That means we cannot just go on a weekend and meet them and come back to work. It's expensive and the distance is also very far. Many of us have less than 30 days in a whole year to go back home and see our family. One of the best and most effective solutions to this problem is online business. In other words, online affiliated marketing, where you earn commission on products that are already popular that people need and purchase on day-to-day basis. The good thing is you do not need any special permit. You do not need a license. You don't even need a special visa to start up online affiliated marketing business. What you need is the knowledge to understand the process, how it is done, and you can only get this from the experts. People who have done it, people who are doing it, and people who are earning from it. They are the people who can train you so that you can get the skills and knowledge to earn from online affiliated marketing. What you need is a computer, a phone, a tablet, internet connection. In the United Arab Emirates, that's not a big problem. You need to dedicate at least 1 hour every day to learn, to get the skills, to get the knowledge and understand how the business is done. If you do it right, then you get the money. If you do it wrong, you may not be able to get the money and then you blame the system. Lastly, you need a UAE bank account on which the money will be sent. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the expert in the field of online affiliated marketing. And this is none other than Hajat Sharifa Nakalema. Let us hear from her.
We are discussing affiliate marketing, and I strongly believe that it's the easiest way and fastest way. You can earn money online right now, and you can also start a business online. So if you're interested in earning some money or starting a real business online, I strongly believe, and I'm saying this by after owning a business locally. I own a business locally. I own a cleaning company, but also as doing it online. But it's only for people who believe that's possible, and only people who are ready to put in the hard work, and those who can put in some money. But today I'm talking about earning money online with the low ticket items, but also with high ticket. And we're about to explain all that. Saturday, the affiliate marketing day on this channel, live. Affiliate marketing simply means promoting other people's products, other companies' products and services to earn a commission. As you promote those products and the companies, you choose which one you want to work with. They can be from the health or wealth or relationships. And then you can choose real physical things, like through ClickBank, you can choose physical things through Amazon.com, or you can do digital. I'm more on the digital side.
For more videos on motivation, inspiration, and business support, subscribe to Sharifa Nakalema YouTube channel. Hajat Sharifa and I have something in common, and that is the passion to help others, to share the knowledge that we have, to make others better, or to help them achieve their dreams. Sharifa is a Ugandan business owner based in Virginia, United States of America. She understands the physical business and the online business, but she believes for anyone in our situation, if you're working abroad, going online is the way to go. That's why she has decided and dedicated her energy, her power to train others, get into the business, learn it, and start earning. In the end, you earn enough, you leave your job, go home, and do online business. I don't think I can match her dedication and passion to helping others, to helping people who are living and working abroad. She's doing it, she has done it for many years, and for people in the United States of America. Now she feels she can extend this support to people in the United Arab Emirates. Most of us working abroad would rather work from home, close to our friends, close to our relatives, close to our families. So this is what this program is all about, to train you so that you get enough skills and knowledge, start up your online business, get enough money, have that continuous cash flow, then you can retire, you can resign and go back home to your family and keep running the business. It is passive income that will keep flowing if you do it right. And this is what this program is about. There are two main programs that have been tested and they are working. So Sharifa will be helping you to see which one will be best for you, and then she'll guide you step by step on how to start and how to move ahead. Now it's time for you to take your first step towards financial independence. All you have to do, check in the description of this video, you will find a link. Put in your email address and you'll be asked if you want to accept, if you want to receive emails from the website. Once you accept, you will get an email from Sharifa, and this email will have her contact number, her WhatsApp number for personal communication, individualized communication. This is how you'll get information and any questions. If you need any clarification, you can reach Sharifa directly. And the emails will have information, training, and guidelines on how to start and run your online business. You don't have to pay anything at the moment, but when you feel comfortable and you understand the business, subscription will cost you only $7. $7 is about 25 dirhams. 25 dirhams is about 1 KFC meal. I believe anyone can sacrifice one meal of KFC if you want to move ahead financially. That's not too much. But first understand, it's not time to get in now. First get the training, understand the business, then you can get in if you want, if you feel that it is right for you. All in all, this is an opportunity for anyone in the United Arab Emirates to earn from a side income. But the good thing is you have someone willing to train you before you can get in. Take action now, click on the link, put in your email, accept to receive emails, then you'll start the training with Sharifa Nakalema. Subscribe to her YouTube channel for other information about business, about motivation, about inspiration. But most importantly is this affiliated marketing online. She will train you, she will support you to make sure you fully understand it before you move into the business. Many times people don't understand the business, make mistakes, then they blame the business or the system. That's all for you today. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, put the question in the comment box below. Thank you so much. Watch out for the next video.